Now, the other question that comes to my mind is you were talking about this digitally driven park and how young people could see every update on their apps. When I think about nature and technology, they do not go together always because we go in nature to get away from technology at times. We go in forests, we go to the mountains, to the beaches. How do you think in future these two will work together?
Well, maybe you remember uh, in, we talked about smart cities.
Yeah,
And smart cities were maybe the first, um, the first uh, way to bring in technology for being smarter also with our environmental.
yeah, yeah,
But it's not the only way to think about being smarter and make something working better.
yeah,
But what we need, what we feel, is that we need a radical change of our living pattern.
yeah,
That is what we are looking for. So, when we talk about technology in the field of nature,
yeah,
we think about uh, the technology for climate analysis. We think about the technology of our KPIs in avoid water running. And so we need to bring in new technologies in the unbuilding space.
yeah,
Maybe we know exactly how does it work for the building space. That makes my
yeah,
city
yeah,
positive. So we know energy flows, we know facades, we know the roofs, and so everything. But now we need to start to think about unbuilt and paving.
yeah,
Huh? Again, coming back to the soil, to avoid the water runoffs.
yeah,
So thinking about biodiversity. So we have our digital tools,
yeah,
and we need to push more and more of these digital tools for measuring our nature capital. Because nature capital
yeah.
will be the driver for the new economy.
Okay.
And the new economy will be a nature economy.